What's the meaning of begetter? Begetter. Begetter.
Begetter. Begetter. The term begetter refers to someone who creates or produces something, particularly in relation to giving birth or originating something. It has its roots in Middle English and was commonly used in Shakespearean language. The begetter can refer to either the mother or father of a child, although it more commonly refers to the father. In a broader sense, begetter can also be used to describe the originator or instigator of an idea, movement, or artistic work. It is a relatively uncommon word in modern English, but can still be found in literature and other forms of creative writing.